Are you looking for a faster, cleaner way to upgrade structural posts? Westbury Wraps offer the look your customers love without the hassles or bulk of full columns. Let's take a closer look. Lansing Building Specialties now stocks Westbury Aluminum Post Wraps from Digger Specialties. These wraps are a fast, low-maintenance way to upgrade porches, decks, and patios without changing the structure. Westbury Post Wraps are non-structural aluminum covers that install around existing wood or steel posts. They use a precision interlocking aluminum system to create a seamless, finished column look without removing or replacing the original post. This makes them an ideal solution for covering worn, weathered, or mismatched posts. Plus, they are great for creating a consistent, uniform appearance across the project. For contractors, that means faster installs, cleaner results, and a simple add-on product that elevates the entire project. What sets Westbury Wraps apart is their aluminum construction and engineered design. Each wrap is manufactured with durable aluminum that won't rot, crack, or warp, along with a multi-step powder-coated finish for long-term color retention. Unlike wood or composite alternatives, these wraps are built for long-term outdoor exposure with little to no maintenance required. Let's clear up the biggest confusion customers run into. Post wraps are decorative only and are installed around an existing structural post, meaning they are not load-bearing. Columns are fully structural and load-bearing, made to replace the original support. The key question to ask your customer is simple. Are you replacing the structure or just upgrading the look? The new 4-inch wrap is especially valuable because it fits standard 4x4 posts, one of the most common applications in residential projects. It's perfect for remodeling jobs where posts are already installed and structural changes aren't needed. This gives you an easy upgrade option that adds value without adding complexity. Westbury wraps are available in 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch sizes with multiple height options depending on the application. At Lansing Building Specialties, we stock select sizes in the most in-demand finishes, including black fine texture, bronze fine texture, white fine texture, and gloss white. This means you get the product you need quickly and match it seamlessly with Westbury's railing systems and other outdoor components. If you're working on outdoor living projects, Westbury Aluminum Post Wraps are an easy upsell that adds value without adding complexity. They deliver a clean, professional finish that your customers will notice without increasing installation time or maintenance. Contact Lansing Building Specialties today and start offering a better finish on every project.